Hi, Monica here with Nerd News Social, and we're going to be doing another unboxing. Today we're talking about the Urbanista Copenhagen Earbuds. These are the everyday earbuds. They have 32 hours of battery life on them. They have voice assistant control and all kinds of cool stuff. So let's open this thing up and see what we got. Very interesting little tuck choice that they did, where it was a tuck and a regular box. Nice on that. There's a sleeve, making sure it stays nice and shiny. Low profile, lightweight. Easy to find charging station. Easy to open. Magnetic closure, which is nice. Already charged, also nice. And these actually really resemble the AirPods. So if people are a really big fan of if people are a really big fan of their AirPods, but they want to try a different brand, they can still keep the same general profile and look and feel of the AirPods with these guys. So right away, it fits really well. It feels really sturdy in there. And I think that's pretty awesome. Let's see what else is in here. A bunch of guides. So quick start guide and the warranty information. So it doesn't look like it comes with a charge cable, which is honestly perfectly fine because we all have USB-C cables nowadays. So it would just go into your drawer of cables and loose change. So that's nice. Less e-waste for us. And I also really like how the light up indicator shows that it's fully charged, and it can tell you a little bit more accurately than the usual single light or like triple light what the percentage of life is right there. So you're not left in the wind with a partially charged earbud in the middle of nowhere. Anyway, I really hope you liked this unboxing. I will be writing a full review on this and letting you know my exact thoughts. Please check the link below for that. And I will see you next time. Thank you so much for joining me. Like and subscribe for more.